Types of data collection. Types of data collection. It was classified into two types. They are primary data collection and secondary data collection. In this primary data collection, so what is meant by primary data collection? It means that primary data collection by definition is the gathering of raw data collection from a source, from resource which is availability to gather information by the research scholar. It is a process of original data collection by the researcher for research purpose. It is a process of original information to gather data for research purpose by the scholar. So in this purpose, primary data collection was classified into two types. They are qualitative data collection and quantitative data collection. So everybody should know about the quantitative data collection and qualitative data collection. What is meant by qualitative data collection? Qualitative data collection means which is discusses about the definition, meaning, scope and importance and clear explanation about the topic, that is called as qualitative data collection. And quantitative data collection. Quantitative data collection, it was classified into quantitative data collection means which is deals about the numbers and figures, and data analysis, that is called as quantitative data collection method. First we should discuss about the qualitative data collection method. This qualitative data collection method, this was classified into several tools. They are groups. Several elites or eminent people formed into groups to provide information for research purpose. That is also one of the data collection tool. And online forums. So media people, press persons, and group of writers, group of language based associations, and number of online forums existed in this universe to provide primary data. So primary data, online forums, they are discussing about the development of the particular research area. In this moment, online forums, they provide information and they will struggle for the development of the research, like Indian social science research, Indian science and scientific research, and International Journal of Social Science Research, like etc. Several categories of research. Online forums adopted by themselves for the betterment of research. So in this primary data collection, pure and original information, raw material provided by the researchers. So, and web survey chat. Number of researchers nowadays, depending upon the web survey chat, they asking several questionnaire. They prepared themselves questionnaire and they asking several questions through online based web survey chat. So whatever topic has been selected by the scholar or author, researcher, they will raise questions to respondents, and finally they will seek information from the respondents through online web survey chat. Through online web survey chat. And next one is online communication. Nowadays, everyone recognized the importance of online communication. Today, we are not able to exist our life without online communication, like mobile communication, television communication, and and science and technology and Google-based technology. We are gathering, we are getting so much of information on the basis of the online communication. Online communication. Most of the authors depends on online communication. That is also one of the source, one of the data collection tool, qualitative data collection tool. That is also one of the qualitative data collection tool. And in-depth interviews. In-depth interviews. Whatever questionnaire prepared by the scholar or researcher, they will raise questions against the members, and immediately they will gather information, data from the respondents. So that is in-depth and detailed questions raised by the scholar. On the basis of the questions, they will gather information from the respondents. That is in-depth in detailed research. In-depth and in detailed research. And case study method. Case study also one of the qualitative data collection tool. Everybody should know what is meant by case study. Case study means a detailed, clear analysis of the particular issue or incident. That is called as case study method. Clear analysis, detailed explanation of the particular topic, that is case study method. Suppose for example CBI, Central Intelligence Bureau, or Central Bureau of Investigation, and National Intelligence Bureau, NIA, National Investigation Agency, and State Intelligence Bureau, they are police personnel, they are applying this case study method. If they want to analyze about the particular single incident or single event in detailed manner, they should apply case study method. Case study method also one of the qualitative data collection tool. These are relating to the qualitative data collection tools. Qualitative data collection. So this is also one of the important question, data collection tool in research.